Ripple Labs, two of its executives, and the XRP cryptocurrency have all had a difficult path. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a complaint against Ripple Labs and two of its executives in 2020, stating that the company and its officials generated more than $1.3 billion through an unregistered and ongoing digital asset securities offering. The latest news and updates are among those that the investors have been long waiting upon. All they want is XRP to be regulated soon, so make sure that you watch the video until the end. In the case of the SEC Ripple and the Empower oversight, late last year, the market's perception of the argument and interest for XRP shifted dramatically. A lawsuit filed by a non-profit government watchdog, Empower Oversight, against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC, gave the market hope for a more favorable conclusion in the SEC litigation. The assertion made by Empower Oversight drew attention to a clear conflict of interest. Unlike Ethereum, Ripple Labs was the target of the SEC complaint, but not Ethereum. As reported by Empower Oversight, former SEC employee William Hinman earned millions of dollars in compensation from his old company while assisting the SEC in the regulation of cryptocurrency. Simpson Tratcher, a former employer of his, is a member of the consortium that promotes the Enterprise Ethereum project. According to the lawsuit, Hinman stated that Ethereum was not a security, which resulted in a surge in the price of Ethereum. This was followed by a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, which resulted in a decline in the value of XRP as a result. It is claimed in the lawsuit against Ripple Lab that XRP is a security. Since the beginning of January, however, there has been little fresh information on either the SEC XRP or the Empower Oversight SEC allegations. Last week, however, news broke that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) had been granted further time to process paperwork. The SEC has been granted an extension until February 17th in order to deal with materials that could be favorable to Ripple Labs. The SEC's claim will be put to the test in a new way. Despite the fact that the SEC has until 17th of February to complete its investigation, there is an ongoing activity as the case enters its closing stages. This week, news broke of lawyers submitting a petition on behalf of non-US XRP investors requesting that the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) investigate Ripple Labs' action against them. According to the petition, the SEC's enforcement operations against cryptocurrencies have given the impression of improper relationships and conflicts of interest among employees, and that should be probed. Furthermore, the petition notes that John Deaton, the petition attorney, has assembled information indicating that SEC officials may have conspired with outside parties to regulate cryptocurrency in a way that served their own financial interests. The petition concludes by stating that the SEC under Gary Gensler has similarly declined to address these disturbing matters, has fought Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) requests, and has ignored media reporting. Earlier in the year, SEC Chair Gary Gensler issued a warning to the cryptocurrency markets, stating that there will be a significant rise in regulatory attention. The latest petition, together with the allegations made by Empower Oversight, has the potential to bring the SEC and its approaches to cryptos under the microscope. It isn't the best time for politicians, as the White House is expected to release an executive action on cryptocurrency regulation in the near future. The price of Ripple's XRP has changed. As of the time of composing the script for this video, the value of XRP has dropped by 0.21% to $0.6162. XRP was down 26% year-to-date as of Monday's close, despite a shift in public opinion towards the SEC action. Significantly, XRP was down by 56% from its most recent peak, which occurred in early September. In addition to negative emotion towards the SEC case, sour sentiment against the larger cryptocurrency market has also been a factor. In the short term, a move back through January's high of $1.016 would put XRP on track to challenge September's high of $1.415 in the near term. The market's perception of the SEC Ripple Labs case, on the other hand, will continue to be a crucial mover in the coming weeks. Since the SEC versus Ripple litigation took a number of bittersweet turns during the previous year, as you're surely aware, 2021 has proven to be an eventful year for the cryptocurrency community, particularly for XRP holders. In spite of the SEC's white lies and prejudice on one hand, the XRP community garnered widespread worldwide support on the other, resulting in the XRP litigation being recognized as one of the most historic incidents in recent cryptocurrency industry history. The SEC's litigation has benefited from a revision in the scope of the DPP, which has been implemented. While the whole cryptocurrency world waits at the outcome of the upcoming hearings, the case has been solidified with the inclusion of more connected incidents in the proceedings, according to the court. For example, following the Second Circuit's judgment in the case of Natural Resources Defense Council versus Environmental Protection Agency (EPA. The scope of deliberative process privilege (DPP) for the XRP litigation was expanded (NRDC). As a result of the success of the NRDC case, the scope of the DPP was expanded, further tipping the XRP litigation in favor of the SEC, particularly with respect to the papers submitted for in-camera examination in the first place. Because of the NRDC ruling, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) contended that it was not needed to relate its records to a single unique decision to seek protection under the DPP, referring specifically to the 3 documents produced during the in-camera review process. As opposed to constraining its scope to a single choice of decision-making process, the SEC was empowered to establish a broader decision-making process with which the data was associated. After feeling defeated, the XRP community filed another lawsuit against the SEC, which ultimately helped to re-establish XRP's position as a winning argument. If the FOIA request is granted, it is possible that the SEC's alleged illegal market manipulation would be revealed. Empower Oversight, a non-profit organization, filed a Freedom of Information Act (FOIA) complaint against the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) in connection with the SEC's potentially illegal market manipulation to raise the prices of cryptocurrencies such as Ether and Bitcoin, while simultaneously driving the price of Ripple down with a legal action. Because of the SEC's perceived favoritism and a possible illegal role in the exponential price increase of Ether, members of the cryptocurrency community are well aware of the situation. The latest FOIA complaint filed against the SEC, or the Securities and Exchange Commission, furnished the court with strong evidence that the Commission's long-standing market manipulations should at the very least be the subject of an ongoing investigation, which the court upheld. The value of XRP could rise significantly by 2022, according to certain estimates. To be sure, XRP suffered an unjust regulatory crackdown in 2021, but the token's value increased steadily throughout the year. This is precisely the trajectory that XRP aims to maintain in 2022. During the final month of 2021, most cryptocurrencies, including XRP, had a brief bear market. XRP's chart, on the other hand, indicated a cup-and-handle pattern, which could indicate the beginning of a positive turnaround for the Ripple cryptocurrency as the new year approaches. The value of the cryptocurrency might also rise to double digits if Ripple is successful in its legal battle with the government. As a result, the Ripple and XRP communities are looking forward to the year 2022 with a great lot of optimism and positivity. And that's all from today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please do smash the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your valuable thoughts down in the comment section of this video. Also, don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you get updated whenever we upload new videos. Share this one with your family and friends and everyone you think might be interested in learning more about the XRP versus Ripple case and its updates. That being said, we'll catch you guys in our next video. Until then, stay safe and take care.